My name is Addo. I'm the CEO of Forte Medical, and our mission at Forte Medical is to give access to healthcare, quality healthcare, through the use of technology.
What are the major health burdens and challenges in the country?
In Ghana, we have quite a few problems, but our major ones are malaria, tuberculosis, maternal health, child health. Most of these are caused by lack of access to quality healthcare.
Could you say a few words about the accessibility to healthcare for the average Ghanaian?
Access to healthcare is quite sparse. The queues to see doctors can last for 4, 5, 6 hours and sometimes even days to be able to get an appointment.
For those who are coming in rural areas, they're coming to the hospital, they often don't have access to the national health insurance scheme. So that means they have to pay from their own pockets to get access, and that creates a barrier for them whether they should go to hospital or not.
Correct. So the National Health Insurance Scheme allows people to get access to a given level of healthcare. After that, as you said, they have to pay out of their pockets. So sometimes people who live in farming communities have to make very, very difficult decisions. Using technology, I believe we can bridge some of these gaps, bring the cost of healthcare down. And once we do that, we'll be able to give people better service.
So going back to the challenges of accessibility to healthcare, where do you and the team from Forte Medical come in and play a role in that aspect and answering these challenges?
Right now, we're working with some great Israeli companies. Take Nanox, for example. When we use their equipment, it has a built-in AI component to it. When an image is taken, the AI is able to tell straight away whether a patient has TB or not, but the AI is able to also tell them if they have other ailments.
Could you share a bit of the partnership that we have together with how the triangle between Forte Medical, ImpactWell, and the establishments you created here are working to answer these challenges?
ImpactWell has had a major effect on the work that we do. We have some companies who are focused on the first world because they can make a lot of money very, very quickly. And with Forte Medical, what we're trying to look at is to try and skew their minds a little bit differently. When, for instance, you bring technologies to Ghana, rather than charging $500 for one piece of equipment, that one piece of equipment can be used for 5,000 people, and they can be charged $1 each. So partnering with ImpactWell, we've been able to now approach companies, help them bridge the gap, help them understand that there's other ways of doing business.
Why did you choose Israel as a country for you to focus on and bringing technologies from?
Israel has really been the pinnacle when it comes to technology. They want to listen to what the issues are. They want to see how you can partner to solve the problems and, again, come up with mutual benefits for everybody.
How could this pilot be scaled up in a national level? What is the potential for that?
Ghana, I like to say, is the entry point to Africa. Doing business is a lot simpler. When it comes to our partnerships that we have and the pilots that we've run with Nanox, with the National TB program, most of the hospitals that we've gone to have said, we need this. This is exactly what we need. But at the same time, they have issues. Having great partners like Nanox, they listen and say, okay, this is what we need to adapt to make it better for Ghana.
Could you share a bit of the challenges you've been facing and what are the ways that you are able to overcome these challenges and the partnership that helps you to overcome these challenges locally?
Getting people to believe that there is actually business in Africa. Africa has one of the youngest populations, which means you have lots of capable people, and it means that in the future, this is where everything is going to be. For companies to come in and actually give us a chance, apart from the fact that they're going to be helping save lives, they're also going to be getting access to one of the biggest markets that there is. I want to thank the Ruderman Family Foundation, the JDC, and ImpactWell for this partnership. Without it, we'll be so many steps behind. Those who are at the event, come and visit us in Ghana. Come and have a look, come and see for yourself what the opportunities are.